Hello there. I'm May, Elmo's mom, and I want to talk about how to handle big changes in a child's life. Now, here to help us understand how to have a conversation about big changes is child psychiatrist Dr. Amit Sen. Hello there, Amit. Now, what's the best way to help a child understand changes in their lives?
Hello, May. When big changes happen, it is important to be honest with our children about what's going on. The key here is to share enough information that is age appropriate. Take your time to answer their questions in a way they understand. A good way of guiding the conversation is to ask them what they know first. And then when you answer their questions, keep it simple and concrete.
Oh, absolutely. Now, what can parents say to assure children that things will be okay?
Well, we don't always know what will happen next. But children need to know that even as they're having these big feelings, there are people who love them and who will take care of them. They need to know that everyone is working hard to make sure that everybody gets what they need.
Oh, well, this has been very helpful. Thank you, Amit.
Thank you, May. I'm glad I could be of some help.
And that's it for May's Minute.